In this video, let's see how to create and update a message in the Enroll form. In the drop-down menu, click on My Company. In the top navigation bar, select Forms. In the drop-down under Forms, click on Enroll Form. Messages can be added in 3 places. The first is the Account Information section. Edit existing text by typing into the field. Click the green check icon to save the changes. The second place is the Enrollee Information section. To delete any existing text, highlight the text, then click Delete. Then click the Save icon to save the changes. The last place is the Program Selection section. If no message has been entered, click on Message, Optional, to add a message. Enter your message in the provided text box. Click the Save icon to save the message.